Hello team, Varun here and welcome to the Introduction to the Advanced Business Development Workshop. In this video, I'll cover why there is value in attending this workshop, how it's absolutely relevant to salespeople with all levels of experience, and then a little bit about me and why you should learn selling skills from me. This workshop is about helping busy salespeople become really focused in their approach to finding new business. We're going to do that by breaking down business development into little steps. And as you go through the workshop, you're going to fill in a workbook, and then that document actually becomes your business development plan. Then back at work, you just follow it to look for new business opportunities. Here's the thing. If someone asked you to write a business development plan, imagine how long that would take. It sounds completely boring. And to be fair, when would you actually have the time to do it? I know I would struggle because in sales, we just have way too much going on. Let's now talk about how this is relevant for all salespeople. If you are new to sales or business development, you're going to learn foundational BD skills and BD thinking. It's going to give you a really good start. If you're somebody who's been selling for a while, then this workshop is going to help you build on your current skills and enhance what you do, and ideally, stop you from developing some bad habits that might impact your results in future. If you're somebody that is a senior salesperson, this workshop is going to give you some structure around all of those good things that you already do. This means when you try and coach or help others in your team learn selling skills, you know your secret sauce, it'll be much easier to label the skills and behaviors. There is nothing worse than asking senior salespeople for help and they can't even pinpoint what behaviors makes them successful. I'm sure you don't want to be that person. I know what you're thinking. Hey, this is all great, Varun, but why should I learn selling skills from you? Well, team, I helped start a technology business at the height of the 2008 GFC. And I mean from scratch. No revenue, no systems, no big brands, competing against a public company that had more money, all the brands, lawyers, and systems to completely wipe us out. In 12 years, we had grown to $250 million in sales annually, and then expanded it into Australia, Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, all completely owned out of New Zealand. In those 12 years, my responsibility was sales, then to build a sales team, then a sales division, put in all the sales systems and processes so that our teams could win. That business today does more than $400 million in sales, and I'm still very close to the team and the owners. I decided to leave in 2021 as I was spending way too much time in planes, in different countries and events than I was at home, and I just didn't want to miss out on my kids when they were about to start school. I exited, started my consulting business, and now I work with other companies who are wanting growth. And I take all of the lessons I learned on how to sell on value, how to develop business, and how to get teams to sell better to scale your results, and I show others. I want you to know that when I talk about sales and selling, it is a theory-based knowledge. I bring to the table practical, no fluffy sales behavior. And I know it works because I went from a distribution business to building a consulting business selling time, and I get to work with some of the biggest companies and their teams because they want someone to stand shoulder to shoulder with their sales teams rather than a university professor who couldn't make a cold call. Right, team? This workshop isn't about what you know, it is about what you do. The relevance for you is in the application of the skills. Alrighty, I'm looking forward to seeing you very soon in the workshop.